Welcome back, traders. In this video I'm going to be teaching you guys the power of the first time frame. Yes, you heard me right, the power of the first time frame. I know a lot of people have been confused about the power of the first time frame and also understanding of range. I'm going to be doing all the breakdown in this particular video and also doing the breakdown of every single thing that happened previous week. So let's go to the charts right now. So this is some gold USD. You guys know that I trade gold USD, and then this for our time frame. So let's go back to like daily time frame. Okay, so this daily time frame right now, I think this is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday candle, then Tuesday, and then this Monday. So let me differentiate it. So I want to explain the power of the first time frame using the previous week, what happened this particular previous week, and then you can see that market is here to open. So this Monday right here, can you see Monday 24th of March? Can you see? So this Monday. So what you have to do first when you want to analyze the market is all about getting your buyers. Where exactly are you expecting price to go to? And then you guys understand the 4 different you're not at a reorder block in the market at the end of giving us for free. And then let me just draw out the first 2 ways, and then because I'm going to make use of the first 2 ways in this particular lesson. So let's assume that price go what's on a bullish direction right now. Can you see price go on a bullish direction? Okay. So price end up breaking too low right now, just like this. Then you can make use of what the order block are that's responsible just like to sell the market, just like vice versa for what a buy trade also. So this what a real order block right here. This out and it's for a real order block. And then a lot of traders are be confused because they don't really understand the power of the first time frame, understand the range. They think every single thing is different strategy. No, it's not different strategy. It's still one trading strategy, which is order block. I only trade order block. So my trade strategy is very simple. And then as a forex trader, you don't need to trade multiple trading strategy to be successful. You just need only one single trading strategy, and then with 1 or 2 pairs. You understand? It's not all about like trading all the markets, all the financial markets or stock. No, you don't need that. You only need 1 or 2 currency pair to be successful as a forex trader with only one single trading strategy. So my strategy is very simple. This is the first way on how to identify a reorder block. You can see that price end up breaking too low. This is the first low right here. Okay, and then this is the second low. You can see that price end up breaking too low. Then you're going to make use of what the order block responsible for it. And also the second way on how to identify a reorder block is something like this. But that was just like one single break. So let's assume that price go what on a bullish direction right now. Okay. So this is where a lot of people are getting it confused. But you have to understand this pattern very well. For example, if price end up taking out this particular low right here, I always mention this in my video that you are going to be expecting price to take out this particular high as what a liquidity, because price end up breaking only one single low like this, only one single low. Price end up breaking only one single low. Then you're going to be anticipating for price to break this particular high, because this is not a break of structure. This is a change of character. Many traders don't understand the difference between a change of character and also a break of structure. But this is what a change of character, not what a break of structure. Consider price end up taking out this particular low, and then the reason why just because there are some traders that always trade every single supply and demand zone in the market. Some are going to buy right here, and the price end up copy them out. Price later going to go to their direction. That is the reason why that they always complain that, oh, price end up stopping me out, and they later go to my direction. After that, they'll call this one what a break of structure. Meanwhile, this is not a break of structure. This is what a change of character. And then you're going to sell the markets right from here again, just like you saw, and the price end up stopping them out all over again. So this is what change of character, not what a break of structure. A change of character to me, it's when price end up taking out a liquidity and then taking out the next liquidity. Many people are going to like think that this is what a break of structure. This is not a break of structure. So let me delete this right now. Okay. So this is the second way on how to identify a reorder block. So you guys don't forget this. Any single time you see this pattern in the market, always anticipate for price to take out the high. So this out identify what the second this is the second way on how to identify a reorder block in the market. If price refuses to break this particular high and the price data come all the way down, it's not necessary for price to break this particular low, but price can also break it. So if price does not break any low, in as much that price end up getting below its own low, then you're going to be anticipating for price to take out this particular high as what a liquidity, and then respect the order block above it, just like to come all the way down. So you're going to set what your entry right here. Okay. So the reason why price is going to take out this particular high is just because of liquidity, and then some traders also are going to be sell the markets right here too. So price is going to take them out as what a liquidity, and then respect the order block above it. So this is what the second way on how to identify a real order block in the market. And then I'm going to show you one crazy setup that happened this particular week. It's more ratio 20, and that is so massive. And I'm going to show you guys right now. So let's go back to the charts. So the first thing you need to do, you like to get what your buyers. Where are you anticipating markets to go to? Are you expecting a bullish trade or a bearish trade? And then you can see gold is going on a bullish direction. So price is going on a bullish trend. You can also look for a bearish market. If price end up being like a bearish trade, you can also enter into the market. So right here you can see this is a daily time frame, and then this is what the liquidity we have below. We have only this particular liquidity below. Let's go to like a 4-hour time frame. Let's see if you can analyze the market. So we have a lot of information right here. Let's check 12-hour time frame. 12-hour time frame. Okay. So let's start from 12-hour time frame, or let's check 14-hour time frame. Let me see what's going on 14-hour time frame. Okay, let's start from 12-hour time frame. All right. So this is what we're only dealing with this moment right here, from this particular moment, from Monday upward to what happened on Friday, from Monday to Friday. So that's what I want to explain in this particular video, using power of the first time frame and also range. You understand? So that's just for that. So the first you have to do, you like to get your buyers. Where are you expecting price to go to? So you can see this particular low right here. Can you see price end up taking out this particular low, and then you're going to be anticipating for price to respect the other block below it. And then at the same time, you're going to like to start studying the market to know if price has end up being like opportunity to enter into the market. Because sometimes it's not every single time that price is going to get to us to the real order block. That is the reason why you have to make use of what the power of the first time frame, just like to analyze the market, and then to get opportunity, just like to enter into the market. So let's start from here. And this 12-hour time frame right now. So you can see that price end up taking out this particular low, and the price go to respect the next other block below it. The reason why just because it is difficult for price to break two levels in the market at the same time. You can see the first way or not at the side real order block that I draw for you guys earlier on. Price end up breaking two lows or two highs. That is what the order block is very what a real order block, because it is difficult for price to break two levels in the market at the same time. If price end up breaking one level, price goes to respect the next one and then use it to come all the way down or use it to go all the way up. That's the second way on not to identify the order block that I end up giving out for free right now. The second way on not to identify the order block. So you can see that price end up taking out, price end up breaking one particular high and then respecting the other block above it. So you're going to be anticipating for price to respect this particular order block. Let's drop down to like 6-hour time frame. Let's see what's going on 6-hour time frame. Oh, we have a lot of information. We just want to like to discuss about what happened from Mondays to Friday. That's what I want to like to discuss about this night, and they're using the power of the first time frame, because you have to understand the power of the first time frame. This is just like a backbone of my trade strategy, so you guys have to really understand it, and then understanding of range. So that's just for that. Okay, so these 6-hour time frame. Okay, so we're only dealing with what's happening right here from this particular moment upward. Let me delete this. Okay, let me just reduce the other block. Okay, can you see on 6-hour time frame right now, this way you expected price to return back to, but price does not return back to it on Friday. Can you see on Friday? And the price end up achieving the purpose of coming all the way down. So one of the things you have to notice in the market, you're like, as price end up achieving the purpose of going towards a particular direction, if price has end up achieving it, then you can start looking for what opportunity to buy the market or to sell the market. So that's just for that. You can see that price end up taking out this particular low right here. So what you're going to do now, you're like, okay, study inside the range. And then when you want to study inside the range, you're like from one particular high to on one particular low. So for example, let's study inside this particular range right now. This is the high. Can you see? This is the bearish range. And then this is the last low. Can you see this is the last low right here? So if you are studying inside the range, you have to move from the top when we have what opposite candle, then to analyze the market all the way down. So can you see the way I'm reducing it? So this is our new range right now, from this particular high to this particular low. Then you are going to study inside the market, just like to find opportunity to where price end up breaking one particular high and then respecting the other block next to it, or respecting the real order block. That's what I mean right now. So that's just for that. So from 6-hour time frame, let's move down to like 4-hour time frame. And then another thing that you guys have to understand, you're like, when you're going down to lower time frame using the power of the first time frame, it's still the same way on how to go down to lower time frame if you want to increase what your risk to reward ratio. If you don't know how to increase your risk to reward ratio, I'm going to be doing it also in this particular video, and then you can watch some of my videos just like to understand it. So that's just for that. So understanding of range, you can see that we have what a new range right now. Can you see? From this particular high to this particular low. So this is what a new range. I think this is a Friday movement. Okay, I'm right. Okay, so this is a new range right now, so we have to study inside this particular range to look for what the first opposite candle in the market, so that we can join the market with it and then find opportunity just like to buy the trade. So that's just for that. And then we are on 4 hour time frame now. Let's go down to like 3 hour time frame. Okay, so on 3 hour time frame, it still remains the same. We are just starting from this particular high to this particular low to find opportunity just like to buy the market. So let's check 2 hour time frame. Okay, so on 2 hour time frame also it remains the same. Let's check 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame remains the same. Let's check 30 minutes. 30 minutes also remain the same. Wow, let's check 30 minutes. What's going on? Okay, so 20 minutes also remain the same. Let's check 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Can you see 10 minutes also remain the same? From this particular high to this particular low, there's not any opposite candle in between. That's what I mean by remain the same. Let's check 5 minutes time frame. Let's check 5 minutes time frame. Let's see what's going on. So this 5 minutes time frame right now, we are seeing what our first opposite candle. Can you see? You are seeing what our first opposite candle. And then you just notice that I jumped from like 10 minutes time frame to like 5 minutes time frame. So I have to confirm in this particular time frame is what the real time frame. So I have to check 6 minutes time frame. This 5 minutes, so I have to check 6 minutes time frame. Let's see what 6 minutes time frame is saying. So, okay, so on 6 minutes time frame right now, you can see from this particular moment, from this particular area downward, all the candle are bearish candles. So you are just looking for what an opposite candle. So that means 5 minutes time frame is what the power of the first time frame is. The first time frame showing this particular analysis. So you can judge the market using what 5 minutes time frame. So on 5 minutes time frame right now, you can see this is what the order block. Can you see? This is the order block responsible for breaking this particular high. Can you see this particular opposite candle right there? And then a lot of people will be questioning me that why did I always call opposite candle like high? It's just because market is very precise, and then we call order block and order block. Let's say for example a bullish order block. A bullish order block is the last bearish candle. So they have to lead the candle as what a bearish candle. So every single candle in the market has a meaning. There's a reason why market is leaving those particular candles the same way they're leaving it. When you talk about like a bearish order block is the last bullish candle. So market makers, buyers have to lead that particular candle as what a bullish candle. So that is just for that. That is why every single candle in the market, it really matters a lot. So that is just for that. So price end up breaking this particular high right here, and then this is what the order block. And then based on my trade strategy, this is not a real order block. Price don't go to respect this particular order block. Price go to respect the order block below it. So this is the order block below it right here. Okay. So this is what the order block below it, and then this way we are expecting price to return back to on Monday. So we have to drop return back to what this week. So on Monday, this was on Friday, and then you can see the demarcation, and then this on Monday. You can see that price tap into it, and then you have to go down to lower time frame just like to increase what our risk to ratio, because a lot of people doesn't understand how to go down to lower time frame. So I'm going to like to breaking it down right now so you guys can understand how to go down to lower time frame. So from 5 minutes time frame right now, let's go to like a 4 minutes time frame. Let's check 4 minutes time frame. So if you're going down to lower time frame, you have to go down to lower time frame in descending order. You don't have to jump a particular time frame for another time frame. So this 4 minutes time frame right now, let's analyze the market all over again. So on 4 minutes time frame, can you see we are not seeing any opposite candle. So you're going to leave this particular candle, this order block the same way it is. You're not going to do any changes because there's not anything you can judge the markets from. So let's go back to like let's go down to like 3 minutes time frame. Okay, so on 3 minutes time frame right now, you can see that price, okay, the eye is still showing. So 5 minutes time frame also is still showing on 3 minutes time frame. So you can see this particular order block, price end up breaking this particular high, and the price not going to respect this particular order block. Price goes to respect the order block below it. Can you see? So we can just adjust what our order block like this. Let me enlarge it. Let me zoom in so that you guys can see it. Can you see right now? So price end up breaking this particular high, price end up breaking this high right here. So price not going to respect this particular order block, price going to respect this sword. So that's just for that. So from 3 minutes time frame, let's move down to like a 2 minutes time frame. Okay. So on 2 minutes time frame right now, we can analyze the market all over again. Okay, I think price end up breaking only one single high. You can see the high right here. Price end up breaking only one single high. But 3 minutes time frame is already telling us that this is what the reorder block. So you're not going to do any changes. you're not going to make any change because price end up breaking only one single high. So let's check our 1 minute time frame. Let's see if we can reduce what our order block or 1 minute time frame. So let's check 1 minute time frame right now. Okay, so you guys need to understand the power of the first time frame. It's just like the backbone of my trade strategy. If you understand it, you're good to go. You can use to scalp the market, you can use to confirm your trade, you can use to do whatever you want to do in the market. I'm going to be showing you like a lot of example of what happened this particular week right now. I just want to start from this particular analysis right here. So after that, I'm going to show you a lot of examples using the power of the first time frame. So right now, on 1 minute time frame right now, you can see the price end up breaking this particular high. Let's say we have one high right here, okay, and then we have another one. If you check very well, let me delete this particular range. But before I delete this range, I have to explain something. So let me just leave the range. You can see our price end up breaking this particular high, and then our price does not break the next high. It's not the next this particular moment that end up breaking it. So let me delete this. So this particular order block end up breaking only one single high, which is this particular high, and then this particular order block right here, price not going to respect it. Price going to respect the one below it. Okay, and then you guys have to understand something. This is what a bearish range. All this movement when price was coming all the way down, this was a bearish range. Bearish range stop right here, and then from this particular low upward is what a bullish range. So price break for what a bearish range. You understand? Don't count its own range, because a lot of people are going to count this particular high as what too high. The price end up breaking too high. No, price end up breaking only one. So a bullish range has to break from what a bearish range. So that is just for that. But this is what our reorder block right now. So let's just set what our entry. Okay, I said I want to explain something. Let's go back to like 15 minutes time frame. Let me explain something for you guys. Okay, so on 15 minutes time frame, let's assume that this is what the okay. So this 15 minutes time frame right now, and then you can see that this is the range you are dealing with. If you analyze the market, let's assume that the same way we analyze this particular market right now, you can see price tap into it. Let me just say the take profits, entry, and then stop loss. The trade is just like 1:20. If I'm not wrong, it's just like 1:20. Okay, so that's just for that. So what I want to explain right here, just like if you analyze the market using the power of the first time frame, and the price does not pick your trade, and the price end up going above the overall range, so you also like to analyze the market all over again from the beginning. So you have to delete what's your entry and then reanalyze the market all over again. So that's just for that. You can see that price end up price end up picking up our trade right here, and then you can set what our take profits 100% movement, because you know that price go what on in bullish direction. So this just it. You're going to set what our take profits right here. Let me move this right here, okay. And then let's check the ratio. Can you see this 1:1? But the actual trade, it was 1:20, you understand? They just like how to understand the power of the first time frame. So let me just give you one more example. Let's assume that you meet this particular entry, and then you're looking for opportunity just like to enter into the market again. How are you going to see opportunity? You can see another opportunity using what the power of the first time frame, and then I'm going to like to be breaking it down right now so that you guys can understand it. Let's assume that you meet this particular trade, so let me delete it. We need this particular trade. You're not on our chart when it play out, and then you're looking for what another opportunity just like to enter into the market. So what you have to do is like to study inside this particular range. Don't forget, always demarcate the range you want to study inside. So what you have to do is like to study inside this particular range. Let's go back to like a 1 hour time frame. Let's see. Okay, let's go back to like let's check 4 hour time frame. So right now you have to study inside this particular range, so you have to go down to lower time frame in descending order. So from 4 hour time frame, let's check 3 hour time frame. This is the range you want to study. This is the range right now. Okay, from this particular high to this particular low remain the same. Let's check 2 hour time frame. Okay, so on 2 hour time frame also it remain the same. Let's check 1 hour time frame. So on 1 hour time frame right now we have what an opposite high right here. Okay, so price end up breaking this particular high. Price end up breaking this particular high right here. So you'll be expecting for price to take what this particular order block, and then respect the order block below it. So respect this particular order block. So price did not do that actually. I think so, yeah. Price did not do that, and the price end up going above this particular range. So we have to delete what our entry immediately. The price end up going above this particular range, because this is the range we studied before getting this particular entry. So you have to delete your entry because price already outside the range. You have to analyze the market all over again. So let's go back to like let's say 3 hour time frame. Okay, So on 3-hour time frame right now, price end up getting above this particular range, and then you're going to be anticipating for price to take out what a liquidity. So you can make use of this one, just like to enter into the market using this particular order block. I saw this particular entry, but I didn't enter it. It will give like 2 entry 2 times. I think I entered the first one, the price returned back. Yeah, I entered into the first one, this particular first one, and the price does not get to what 100% movement, and the price came all the way down, take me out because I set a break even, so I didn't take any loss, and also I did not make any profit. So that's just for that. Let me go back to like 1 hour time frame. Let me show you guys something. Yeah, so 1 hour time frame right now, price end up taking out this particular low, and then respect the order block below it. And then if you miss this particular trade right here, this trade right here, if you miss this particular trade, and then you can see use what the power of the first time frame, just like to enter into what the trade again. So for example, starting inside this particular range right now, from this particular high to this particular low, this is what a bearish trade from this particular high to this particular low. Price end up breaking only one single high. Can you see? Price end up breaking only one single high. Don't forget what I told you. We are going to be anticipating for price to take out the low as what a liquidity. So actually I knew that price needs to take out this particular low as what a liquidity, but I said break even, and the price went up and the price came all the way down. So I was thinking that okay, price already going up right now, so it's not really compulsory for price to take out this particular low, of which price later did, and then I missed this particular trade, you understand, just because price returned back to my break even and they stopped me out. So I made this particular bullish trade. But let's assume that okay, you also made this particular trade the same way I missed it, or you said break even and the price stopped you out. You would price it playing out your analysis, because price end up breaking this particular high, then you're going to be anticipating for price to take out the low as what a liquidity. So what you're going to do next is you're like, okay, now the price has end up taking out this particular low, you have to study inside this particular range as what, to know the power, like to understand the power of the first time frame, to find opportunity, just like to buy the market. If you miss this particular opportunity, you can still study inside this particular range, just like to find another opportunity. I think we should do it together. Let's do it together. So from 4 hour time frame, okay, let me just adjust it, because we have an opposite candle. Can you see this particular bullish candle right here, this black candle? So let's start the range right from here, this 1 hour. Let's go back, let's go down to like 30 minutes. Okay, so what you are doing, just like study inside this particular range, from this particular high to this particular low. So this is the range you study, and then if you understand, you have to start studying the range from, let me return back to like 1 hour time frame, because a lot of people are going to like to be confused. This way we actually start the range from, this particular high right here. So there's not any point of you adding this one, because from this particular high, the range of this high stop right here, stop below here, and then another range from this particular high stop right here. Do you understand? Okay, let me explain more better so that you can understand it. This is what a one range right now, and then this particular range from this particular high to this particular low, this way stop. So the next range is from this particular high to this particular low right here. Do you understand? And then the next range is from this particular high, the high of this bullish candle, to this particular low. So this is the one we are dealing with in the market. Understand? So that's just for that. Okay, let me adjust it. Let's go down to like 30 minutes time frame. So on 30 minutes time frame right now, it remains the same thing. Let's go to 20 minutes time frame. You're just looking for an opposite candle. So you are studying inside this particular range, from this particular high to this particular low. So this is where we are studying, from this particular high to this particular low. So let's check 10 minutes time frame. Okay, so on 10 minutes time frame, there's not any opposite candle. Okay, so let's check 5 minutes time frame. Let's check 5 minutes. Let's check 5 minutes time frame. Okay, on 5 minutes time frame, it's remained the same, from this particular high to this particular low. Let's check 4 minutes time frame. Let's see what's going on 4 minutes. Okay, perfect. So on 4 minutes time frame right now, we are seeing what our first opposite candle. Can you see? This is our first opposite candle right here. So you can see where price end up breaking it. Price end up breaking it right here. Can you see? Price end up breaking it right now. Price end up breaking it right here. So price not going to respect this particular order block. Price going to respect the order block below. And then this is what the order block below is. Very crazy, guys. Like, please, if you're watching this video, like this video right now. Please just encourage me by liking this particular video, because I'm already giving up crazy videos on YouTube for real. but you guys just like encourage me and then share my video. This particular trading strategy I'm teaching you guys, I discovered it myself, so it took me a lot of time just like to discover this particular trading strategy, and then it's worked perfectly, guys. So please like this video right now and then share the phrase, and also comment. Let me just know your opinion about this particular trading strategy. You can see right here, using the power of the first frame, you have like to see another opportunity just like to enter into the market. If you also like to make use of this particular entry, let's say set what your entry. Let me set entry right here and then set stop loss below it. Without even doing that like 1 minute time frame, this is already 4 minutes time frame. And then set what your take profit 100% movement where you are expecting price to get to. You understand? This particular high, you're only dealing with this week. All this particular entry is this particular week. This is the first entry, this is the second entry, and then there's one entry right here, but price does not pick it. And then this another entry, the third entry. Here also I set what to take profit right here. This 1:95, if I'm not wrong. 1:85 is still okay. Do you understand? 1:85. So imagine that. Imagine you risk $100 and then you make it like $8,500 in just one single trade. So that's just for that. So let me give you like one more example, because I really want you guys to understand the power of the first frame and then to know how it really works. Let's assume that you made this particular trade also. Are you going to like to see opportunity? Because also you make use of what the power of the first frame, just like to find opportunity in the market, understanding the range you are dealing with in the market, and then understanding the direction. So don't forget where I started this particular video from. Understanding what your buyers, where are you expecting price to go to in the week. So once you understand your buyers and the price yet like to get to that particular area, you can take trade towards that particular area. You understand? You can take trade towards that particular direction. So that's just what I mean. So let's assume that you made this particular trade and then you're looking for what opportunity just like to enter into the market all over again. So I've given you like using the power of the first frame, I've given like how many entry. This is the first one, the second one it was right here, but price does not pick the trade. And then this is another one, and also this is another one right here, making the third one. So let me just give you the fourth one and then I'll probably end the video. So you guys, please like this video right now. I really appreciate that. And then share this video, and then comments, let me know your opinion, let me know the currency, let me know the strategy you are using before coming across my YouTube page or something like that, because I teach what's really works. It's not like you just teaching blah blah and then because you want a lot of viewers and you're not saying the truth, you understand? Because a lot of crazy things are really going on in the industry. And then I know that right now a lot of people are messaging me right now just because they want to learn, they want to pay for my mentorship, just like for me to train them. The truth is just like there's a limit to the numbers of people like I train per day. My mentorship is just like one-on-one training, just like me sharing my screen with you and then you see what I'm doing, you understand? One-on-one training. My mentorship program is not like other traders of which they're going to sell you the video and then you're just going to watch video. There's not anything like mentorship. Mentorship to me means like using someone to put you through, and that is what I do, you understand? So for my mentorship, it's just like first come first serve. I don't trade like more than 5 students in a day. That is 5 hours, or let's say 7.5 hours. That's so crazy. So that is just for that. So I can't trade more than that. So if you're interested, you can message me right now. But even though I don't really like taking mentorship for you, because it really takes my time just like to train students, to train people for you. But at the same time, many people are messaging me just like they want to learn. So I also like to be willing to teach them, because you have to make profit too, you understand? So that's just for that. So let's assume that you made this particular trade 1:85. That's so crazy. So let's see if you can see 1:100. So let's do it together. So the next thing for you to do, you're like, okay, you made this particular trade. What you have to do next is like study inside this particular range, this particular bearish range. Can you see? So you have to study inside this particular bearish range. Every single time you see that price going towards a particular direction, the price going to be creating expansion and retracement. That is where I started my journey from. Now, what's on my videos on my playlist, you're gonna see that the video there. So whenever price going towards a particular direction, price going to be creating expansion and retracement, and then you can see this is what a retracement. So we are studying inside the retracement, just like to know, to get the power of the first reference, to know where exactly price is going to, and then to enter into the market on time. So studying inside this particular range right now. So we have to adjust our range. So this is 4 minutes time frame. Let's check 3 minutes time frame. This is so crazy, guys. If you understand the power of the first time frame, you are good to go. You are not going to be scared about trading or losing a trade. You understand? It's very, very simple and then very, very easy. So right here you can see price end up breaking this particular high. Very simple. Price is not breaking this particular high. This is the first break. And the price is not going to respect this particular order block. Let me delete this trade so you guys can see it. Price is not going to respect this particular order block. Price is going to respect the one below it. So simple. Like, so if you need this particular opportunity, I'm expecting you to see this next one. Do you still want me to give you one more? Okay. So if you have any question about power of the first time frame and then understanding of range, feel free to message me. Like, comment in the comment section. I do reply comments, you understand? So comment in the comment section. I'll be willing to help you and then to answer your question. Let me know the currency pair you're trading. And then one of the reasons why a lot of traders are not successful yet, despite the fact that they have been trading for like 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, they're like that. They are trading a lot of currency pair. As a Forex trader, you don't need a lot of currency pair to be successful. You just need only one or two. With time, you're going to understand the currency pair you are trading. You can wake up in the middle of the night and then look at your charts. You already know, okay, you already know where price is going to next. You understand? So that is just how I believe it's best to trade. Not like you trading a lot of currency pair and then you're going to be forgetting things that is going on in one particular currency pair because you're on another currency pair. No, you have to focus on only one or two. IS3, and then you don't need to trade a lot of trade strategy. No, I remember when I started trading back then, I always trade order block, ICT breaker, fair value gap, liquidity void, like endorsements, every single thing. So if price is not giving like opportunities to enter, let's say price does not give me like a break or structure, I will force the market to give me a fair value gap. I will look for that fair value gap and I will enter. At the end of the day, I will end up losing. After losing, then the following day I'll be looking for another trade to enter. I can use liquidity void, I can use ICT breaker, I can use order block. I'm not consistent in one particular trade strategy, so you need to be consistent in one particular trade strategy. So that's just for that. So let me just draw the entry for this particular trade. Let me draw the entry. Let me check the ratio. Normally I'm supposed to go down to lower time frame like 1 minute, just like to reduce what our risk, to increase our risk to ratio. But we're already on 3 minutes time frame. So funny. Yeah. Nobody's going to teach you the same way I teach you because I discovered this trade strategy myself. You can go and find it out from anywhere on YouTube. Nobody. And you see this one ratio 70. That's so crazy. I know that you guys miss a lot of trade this week. I knew that. That is the reason why I've created this video, so that you guys can understand my trade strategy much better. And then you guys, next time if you see opportunity, you're going to know what to do. That's that. And then if you anticipate for one particular moment, you'll go to like, okay, be patient to analyze the market, study inside the range, and then looking for what the power of the first time frame. If you know that you're a busy person or you are working, because most of my students, they are working, I always encourage them, because before you can be successful as a Forex trader, you have to have something give you like a passive income apart from Forex. If the only thing you are doing right now is just like trading Forex and then you are not yet profitable, leave Forex right now and then focus on something you like a passive income. That is when you can like trade and then have peace of mind, because a lot of people are losing trade just because they are scared of losing. If you are scared of losing, you're definitely going to lose money. And then what causes fear of losing? Fear of losing is caused because of lack of money. So that's why you need to work on is something you like a passive income before you start trading, because that really affects psychology a lot. Fear of losing affects what's your psychology. That's why I see many people are okay. They say risk takers are money makers because they risk a lot and they're going to make a lot of money in return. So that's just for that. And then if market end up going against them, they blow up their account. They don't feel it because they have something you like a passive income that they're going to use to flood their trading. So that's just for that. Please like this video right now. I really appreciate that. And then if you're watching for the first time, please subscribe, please subscribe. I really appreciate that, guys. So okay, I think I gave you like okay, this one happens on Monday. This is the first trade, and then this one Wednesday, this one okay, this one Wednesday, this one also Wednesday. So a lot like that. So I just want to show you guys what actually happened this particular week, and then you can see all this particular trade that you guys missed. So next time you guys understand this right now. I'm not expecting you guys to miss trade. Just going to miss trade, but like it not to be much. You understand? So that's just for that. So like this video right now. And then I really appreciate you guys for watching to this particular stage. I really love you guys for real, you understand? So if you're watching this video for the first time, the only thing I use to support me and then to encourage me is just like to subscribe. And then for people watching also, please like this video. I really appreciate that. I really appreciate that. So thank you so much for that, and then see you in my next video.